decided I want a donut.
Yes!
And it is ready Wednesdays too, and Grandma is always prepared. Let's go! I've already made the dough. Let's put it in a mold and make delicious donuts. Closing it and waiting. I need to make some awesome donut dough. We make them out of flour, breaking an egg in there and kneading the dough, making it round, and let's put it into hot oil. And wait for it to cook. Now it's my turn. Pouring my black as my soul dough into the machine. And here it is. All that's left is to come up with the most awful design. I need to sprinkle my donuts with powdered sugar to make them not only puffy but sweet. I need to get my donuts out of oil and drizzle something cool. I'm going to use colored glaze. Oh, oops, sorry. And some sprinkles. Done! Wow, this looks cool! I want to try Wednesday's donuts first. That's really yummy! Now my grandmother. Gotta try them soon.
Yes!
Wow! Yummy! And Enid. These are so colorful! Oh yeah! Delicious! But I've decided that the winner is Wednesday! It was awesome! Now I want fries. I hope everyone's ready. Great. Get started. Grandma, give me the vegetable peeler.
Sorry.
Oh, alrighty. Oh, what is that?
We'll get through the potatoes in no time. I'll make the fastest and tastiest ones. Grandma, can you help me? Oh.
Okay, baby. Here you go.
Now let's cut all of them into little pieces and paint them all rainbow colors. Great! Throwing them into the pan and… perfect! Let's put it on a plate in the shape of a rainbow, so Cam will definitely like it. Grandma, what do you think?
It's perfect, Enid. My fries are ready too. Let's try them now. Oh, let's put it right over here. And some ketchup. Grandma's already got everything ready. Oh, thank you, thank you. What does Wednesday have? I'm just about to be done. I need to put it on a plate. And paint it the right color.
Cool!
That's horrible.
Nice!
Enid? Oh, okay, calm down.
Wow, that's a lot of fries! I definitely want to try this one. Rainbow fries look so cute. Let's check out its taste. Not bad.
Okay.
So, what is next? These are regular fries. Let's see. Wow, delicious! Black fries? That's unusual. Let's taste it. Ew, gross! Granny's are the most delicious ones! You're the winner! Granny, wake up! I finished my drawing and I want some pasta. Awesome! Let's get cooking!
I'm going to start with my spaghetti.
And I'll make my own spaghetti. Oh, it makes me want to sneeze! Oh, I'm all in flour. Excuse me. Oops. Let's get cooking. I'm gonna play around first. Oh, well, okay, that's enough. I'm gonna need the most perfect dough. Oh, it's beautiful. Now we'll roll out a couple of equal rounds from it. And now the most interesting thing. Coloring. In all your favorite colors. We'll let each piece go through a special machine and my rainbow noodles are ready. Awesome.
Are my noodles ready? Great. I'll just have to put it all on a plate. Oh, I can't see anything. Oh, where's my eyesight? Where's the ketchup? Oh, what am I doing? Oh, thank you. Oh! Oh no! Not the right one! Oh, that's better. Ketchup and spaghetti. Thanks, Enid. Wednesday, what about you?
I got my spaghetti cooked. I need to put it on a plate and dye them black. Oh, Hand, thank you. You always help me out. I'm definitely gonna need something else. That's exactly what I wanted. Let's put those fingers in there and some ketchup on top.
Oh, it's scary.
Oh, it definitely is. But my noodles are ready too. Done! Wow, what is that? Oh, this is very scary. Oh, no. I don't want that. Let's try the spaghetti first. Wow, yummy! What's in here? Wow, rainbow pasta. Cool! This is unbelievably delicious. In it to win! Really? Oh, thank you, sis.
What?
Now, I want some cacao. Can you make it? Sure. The easiest thing.
While you're talking, I'm already starting. Pouring some cacao and milk into one spot and mixing it. Now straight into the mug. Done!
Grandma, you really are the best. Oh, I'm going to make some chocolate cacao. And I'm gonna have the color too. It's so delicious. We put chocolate in a saucepan and melt it. We need to add more sugar to make it sweet.
Stop!
Oh, okay, Grandma. I'll put a little bit. See? Just a drop of sugar. She's not looking now. Great. Let's pour everything in. Kim will love it.
Enid, I turned my back for a minute.
Oh, that's right. I'm gonna move on. Oh, milk. I can't open it. Oh, come on. No! Oh, the milk is spilled out. But there's enough for cacao. Delicious frosting. Decorating the glass so Kim's sure to have a yummy, yummy treat. Some cacao, some whipped cream, and a bunch of candy. Done. How do you like my drink?
Cool.
Oh, thanks, Grandma. You guys are so cute. I'm grossed out. I'll be serving cacao in a skull glass.
Oh, no.
Granny, how do you like it? Scared you. Great. I need milk, cacao, and some blood. It's just syrup. Now we pour everything into the glass. Great. There should definitely be black cream and some yummy sprinkles on top. I'm all set.
Oh, no!
Let's hear Kim's opinion. So many cool things! I want to start with a cacao from Wednesday. It's so red, just like my hair. And this one is from my granny. Yummy! And this rainbow drink is definitely Enid's. It's delicious! And the winner is... Oh, tough choice. But... Enid! We have a new Halloween video on the channel. Let's go! How nice it was to get some sleep! Whoa! It's Halloween! I need to prank my sister. I've already come up with some really cool ideas. I need to cut out the top of the cloth. Now we need to put the tip of the balloon into it. Draw a terribly scary face. Great! My sister will definitely be scared. Let's go! Okie dokie. So, Nicole is still sleeping. We can hang our ghost over here. You don't think I'd stop there? We also need gloves. Cool!
Yes.
Now, some chewing gum on the floor. And when she slips on the chewing gum, she will land face first into green slime. Oh yes, that's brilliant! Good luck, Nicole. There is one more detail left. Let's put up this wallpaper of bricks. Sis will be more scared.
Oh, that was good. What? A ghost? Take it away! Oh! Wait, what's wrong with my hands? I became a monster! Oh, these are gloves. Oh, sis Emma. Oh! Who's scared of all these? Oh, no! It's like snot! How disgusting! Oh my god.
Emma, you're in trouble. I'm going to get you now.
Oh, I've been walled up. Oh no, I can't.
Oh, Emma! You are in trouble. What should I come up with? Right. I'm going to have a cool prank with a towel. I need to make bloody footprints with red paint. Well, I'll use my hands actually. It's going to be incredibly scary.
Oh, just look at that!
Great. Strawberry syrup, well done. But I'm not stopping there. Let's add more strawberry syrup. Oh yes, right over here. There's definitely not going to be water today. And now, writing a message from a ghost on the mirror. I see you. Great. Adding some flour to the hairdryer is going to be so much fun. I really want to see this in action. I can take a shower. First, let's wash ourselves. Taking off the bathrobe and here's the shower. Oh no! Why is it red? I need to dry up. Oh, where's my robe? Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Oh! It's covered in blood! Oh no! Oh! Who put flour in my hairdryer? What? Who wrote this? Who's watching me? Nicole, there's a ghost! Why are you laughing?
What an interesting game!
It's great that Nicole is distracted. This means I can do another prank. We'll do it in the bathroom. But an idea came to me. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'll make it for myself. But here's a jar of worms. We pour everything into the package and serve it to Nicole. She should like it. Nicole, let's have breakfast. Here you go.
Oh, thank you, Emma. I'm so passionate about the new game. Some cereal, milk. Oh, let's try everything. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh, this tastes bad. Wait. These are worms! Emma! Oh.
This is horrible! I'm going to set up a new prank for Emma. We need to come up with something. And I've got an idea. I'm going to change into a Huggy Wuggy. It will be unrealistically funny. Let's get in the closet, and Emma will be scared. She'll find me right in here. Such delicious popcorn! I like it! Wait, who's in my closet? I have to look, but I'm so scared. I hope there is not a monster there. Opening it. Ah! It's Huggy Wuggy! Save me! No, don't touch me! No! I'm going to eat you.
You're so funny! It's me, Nicole!
I'll catch you! I
I came up with a new idea. Let's make an artificial table with an opening for a head. Emma loves popcorn. She won't be able to pass it by. Putting a bucket of popcorn there and doing a cool makeup. Let's start.
My favorite popcorn.
Oh, look at that! It's so much fun!
I want more. Oh, yes.
Wow! Who bit me? Is that a popcorn monster? Oh,
Mom, save me! Nicole has already pranked me twice. We need to come up with something. But what? What is that sound? What is Nicole doing there?
Huh?
She's doing something to the wall. A great idea came to me. I'm going to make a fake hand. And use a drill. Let's go help Nicole.
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh, how painful! Hi, Emma. I hit my finger with a hammer. Oh, you'll help me?
Of course. I even brought a tool. Okay. Ah! My hand! I drilled right through my arm, Nicole!
Oh, I think I overdid it. But it's a fun memory.
Ready.
Oh, I hit my head so hard. A hand? So it's fake. Emma pranked me again. We need to come up with a very scary prank. Right. I can put a wig on my head. And hide an artificial brain under it. It looks like a real one. Emma definitely won't be able to hold back. She'll want to pull my pigtails, and there's gonna be a surprise. Let's do this. Emma! Emma, hi. I came to watch a movie with you. Yes! Chips! Delicious.
What?
Okay, let's do this.
What's in her bag? Oh, let's pull it. Ah! My real brain!
That was good. What else can I think of for Emma?
All right, all right,
Something
all right.
interesting. Oh! She has already managed to collect the candy. I know what to do. These Kinder Surprises can be replaced with the real eggs. Emma will definitely not notice it. Let's do this. Dipping in chocolate. Looks pretty believable. Amazing. Wow! And I'll keep the sweet ones for myself. Perfect. Let's set it up right here. Oh, goodies. Come to Mama.
I want to drink Coca-Cola.
Oh,
I was so tired. Woo! Wait. There are so many chocolate eggs. I should try it. Ugh, it's disgusting. Who did this? Oh, that's you. This was the last drop. Don't come here. I came up with a great idea for a prank. I'll put the skeleton in the bathroom. Ugh. Oh, we can't break it. That's better. Now we need a brain to make it look even scarier. Awesome! Let's close it up and leave.
Emma, what took you so long? I need to go to the bathroom. Oh, finally. Wait.
what?
Who's that behind the curtain? Is it someone terribly scary? Let's see. Oh, okay. Ah! The skeleton with a brain! Oh, that's scary!
Just don't hit me! How do you like my prank? Oops.
I
came up with an amazing idea for a Halloween prank. I'll tell you everything now. First, let's take a pumpkin and cut out the scariest face in the world. Oh, this is cool. Now, we put lighted candles inside. Great. Oh, this is so scary. Now we need to hide this awfully cool pumpkin under Emma's bed. Let's do this. There you go, little pumpkin. But I can't stop there.
Cool.
I need to leave red footprints to the bed.
Yes!
You know, as if someone had hidden there. Perfecto. Well, ready. What a cool video. I want to lie down for a while. Oh! Huh? Where did these footprints come from? It can't be. Is someone under my bed? Hope it's not a monster. Ah! How scary it is! Mom! Wow, it's Hubba Bubba. Only one. Nancy, don't be sad. Kim has 10 of them. And Christy has 100 pieces of gum. That's amazing. Let's start with Nancy. I'm happy to try it. Let's see. It's so cute. And delicious. Cool. Oh no. What's going on? Oh, what? I'm sorry. Oops. Yeah, that was an accident. Wait. Is this my eyebrow? Oh no. That's not funny. Okay, Kim, your turn. I'm happy to continue. Let's see. It tastes so good. It's delicious. And look at this bubble. Oh, just don't burst it. Girls! I told you not to do that. Well, it's my turn now.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I got rid of the packaging super fast. Now time for the gum. Inflating a bubble. Oh, how beautiful. I'm going to make balloons for myself. How great.
Hey!
Wow, Kim, look! Christy, where are you going? It's great here. I like it. It is so beautiful. And girls are so small. Wow, it's a donut. Nancy has 10 donuts. And Kim has 100 donuts. Oh my gosh. Well, let's start with Christy. I know what I'm gonna do. If I only have one donut, I'll eat it properly. With a fork and a knife. Let's stretch this pleasure. This is so good. And I didn't even get dirty. It's so great. Oh, it ended pretty fast.
Hey!
Nancy, your turn. Yay, it's my turn. I'll try a couple of donuts at once. Oh, I really like it. It's delicious. Great. Well, I'm pretty full, but I still have 2 donuts left. Where do I get the strength to eat them? Although I know.
What?
Let's do this. Right into my mouth.
Let's go!
Whoa! That's better. Your turn, Kim. You know, I've always had a dream. I want to make the tallest donut tower ever. And I will do it. I will stack all the donuts on top of each other. It'll turn out unrealistically cool. Now it is time to try it. Oh yes! so good! Oh no! Girls, what should I do? It's falling! Oh no! Kim, how are you? Are you alright?
What is it this time?
Oh, Pringles!
Huh?
What? A whole wall of Pringles? That is so cool!
Huh? What?
Okay. I guess I'm starting. Wait. I'll definitely be able to see my chip through a magnifying glass. So, there it is. How
What?
small you are. And now let's try it. It is so good. Let's go. Now, Kim, it's your turn. I'm happy to, but it doesn't open. An idea came to me. Let's use a chainsaw. Okay, this is better. Oops. I'm sorry, Nancy. Now, let's throw it up and catch all of the chips. Check out this cool trick. Wow, it hurt. That's funny.
Now it's my turn. I love Pringles chips. Oops. Oh, it's so good. I want to try all the flavors. Awesome.
Huh?
I'm sorry, girls. I'm not paying attention to you at all.
Oh, something has to be done about it. Wait, I've got an idea. I can use a pen to protect myself. Whew, it worked. Wait, I know what can be done. Let's destroy this tower.
Oh no! Girls, I can't move. Oh, it's red pepper. It must be terribly spicy. Nancy has 10 of them. And Kim has 100 red peppers. Yeah, that's a nightmare. Does anyone want to start first? Christy, come on. Be brave. Well, let's try it. A small piece. Oh no! It's spicy!
Hey!
Nancy, it's your turn. Come on.
Oh, I don't want to eat them at all. Well, not bad. I expected worse. Listen, maybe I like spicy food. I really like these red peppers. I want more. Girls, don't even look at me like that. Apparently, I really like spicy food. Yum! Well, Kim, try it. Maybe you'll like spicy food too. I'll try, but these red peppers scare me.
Yes!
Oh, it's terrible. Oh, let's do this. What if I put everything in my mouth at once? Okay.
Wait. Oh, a bit more?
And a bit more. You know what? It's okay. I think I can get all of them.
What?
Ooh. Oh no! It is spicy! Girls! I can feel it!
Go!
Don't worry, Kim. We'll put out the fire. It's working! Do you feel better?
What? Is it a raw egg? Christy has 10 chicken eggs. Nancy has 100 of them. It looks very scary. Let's start with Kim. She only has 1 egg.
Okay, but I don't like it. Ugh, these chicken eggs are completely horrible.
Gross!
Ugh, disgusting.
Hey!
Now it's Christy's turn.
Okay, I've already got an idea. I'll be able to break all the eggs with the help of karate technique. My sensei taught me that. Oh yes, cool! What? Now we need to drink everything through a straw. Ugh, that is disgusting. I don't like it at all. It tastes terribly bad. A couple more eggs. Ew, that's terrible. Now it's Nancy's turn.
How can I eat this whole mountain of eggs? There are 100 of them!
Oh, yes.
Should I… Oh, I did something wrong. My mountain of eggs is falling on me! Go!